Hi, this video is designed to help your family use Alta Ipsum to organize yourselves during the coronavirus. We've seen so many of the well-meaning suggestions for how to jump right into scheduling your day, but honestly, we've been a little slow getting used to this weird situation. Now that we think we're a little closer to a plan that might work, we thought we'd share it with you.
We're all used to schedules, our son in school, me at work, so we knew we needed to set up some kind of routine to keep our sanity. But the over-regimented schedules, like some of the ones we have seen on the internet, make me want to throw my phone across the room. Setting up a basic schedule to deal with everyone at home is simply a family goal, and the most important things about setting goals are that they're realistic. Like you, we've been bombarded with tips and tricks and detailed schedules and suggestions, but we're going to tell you something that falls in between this and this. As far as we're concerned, the most important thing is that we minimize conflict, accomplish something, and feel good at the end of the day, because that's all that really matters.
I've been tutoring kids for almost 30 years now, mostly in all levels of math and science, but also lots of Latin grammar and study skills. I originally designed the website and app Alta Ipsum to help students set their own goals, organize and plan their work, and track their progress. The basic idea is to reduce procrastination and stress by taking control of your schoolwork. Lots of middle school, high school, and college students have used it to develop better study habits and improve their grades, which has been great. So I didn't design Alta Ipsum to help families organize themselves during a pandemic, but it turns out to be good for that too. There's a 30-day free trial, and if you find it works for you, it's now only $2 for an entire year after that. It just seems like the right thing to do right now.
Just so you know, we're a working family living in New York City with a teenage son in ninth grade. If you have younger children, scale back your expectations of how much time you can expect kids to do schoolwork. And as you can see from this Instagram post we found, think at most 2 hours a day for elementary kids, 3 hours for middle schoolers, and 4 hours for high schoolers.
I've also homeschooled many children over the years, and I would agree with that advice. Kids can actually absorb quite a lot more when they're not in a classroom, so if you're getting a couple of good hours out of young children, you're doing great.
This is going to be a marathon, not a sprint, people. So do your best. Recognize it's not going to be perfect and things are going to go wrong. Okay, so the first step we did was to simply make a list of priorities, what we needed to do and also what we wanted to do. Our son has been training pre-professional ballet for 9 years now, so it's really important that he keep up with his training. You may have had students who play football or soccer, who run track or play a musical instrument, so prioritizing whatever they do is really important for them. That was where we started our schedule, with a 2-hour period each day he wanted to put aside for training. He also has his academics, so we threw that down based on his school schedule and decided that hopefully this could be time where we might be able to get work done too. But we realized that plans are subject to change, so bear with us as we make our way.
And I'm sorry, but while I clearly value academics, really the most important things are eating, sleeping, and keeping stress down so we can stay healthy. Therefore, we're not starting anything before 9 a.m., and we're making sure we eat lunch, and there's a large block of time to make sure we're able to take a break, get outside, get away from each other. Okay, we've got our basic plan. Now let's set it up in Alta Ipsum. Just go to altaipsum.com on your laptop, register for a free 30-day trial, and you're ready to get started. First, set up your term. All we need is this one, so you can delete the other two. Then, set up your child's classes and choose colors. We also created a class called Free, so we could specifically designate time when he could do whatever he wanted. If we need to work, participate in a conference call, just have a few minutes to ourselves, whatever. Now, if you want to schedule more like the highly regimented ones, you can always create classes for everything, lunch, outside time, screen time, so you can schedule your whole day and kids can earn points for everything, including eating lunch. But that's up to you. Finally, set goals for every class you create so that it shows up in the drop-downs. Or, if you have younger kids, or you just don't feel like thinking about grades right now, you can easily toggle track grades off. Just be sure to check every course so they show up in the drop-downs. And you can always switch to tracking grades or not tracking grades anytime you want. Just come back to the profile. Alta Ipsum is built to be flexible. You can put whatever you like in the notes section, then click Save. Next, go to the Planner view. Normally you use the plus button to add anything, assignment, reminder, study plan, but you can also simply click anywhere on the calendar. Using the study plans function, we started by reproducing our son's school schedule and scheduling his ballet training. Fortunately for us, our son's school has experience with distance learning, So they have already modified the schedule, so classes by Google Meet will only be on Mondays and Wednesdays. Tuesdays and Thursdays are days for students to review material and do assignments on their own, and Friday is a faculty work day with no classes. As you can see, we have set up each of his classes as a study plan for every day. We know that he only has classes on Mondays and Wednesdays, but now we also have a schedule for him to do his homework on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now in the dashboard view, he can see what his day looks like and what he has to do. He can begin the timer to begin his online class, and when it's over, he can mark it as complete and get 5 points.
We also know what his day looks like, so if he needs our help, we can plan to trade off. I can be available for English and history, and Ben can be available for geometry and biology. But any way you look at it, we have a good idea of what to expect from the day.
Next, when he gets an assignment from the teacher, he can now go to that class on Tuesday, add in the details of the assignment, and now we all know when he will get that work done. No nagging necessary. And if he doesn't get an assignment for a class, say English, he can change that plan for the next day to free. Now he can sleep in, read a book, play on the computer or iPad, whatever. You can also very easily modify the schedule at any time by moving plans around in the planner view or changing the amount of time. Once again, he can begin the timer, and when he completes the work, he gets 5 points. We can always add classes if we decide to structure Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, or maybe what we all need is a little less structured time in our lives right now. Either way, you can use Alta Ipsum to help plan it all out.
Oh, and here's the thing about the points. He can see them add up as he accomplishes his work, and we can decide how to reward him. Or, if you have multiple kids, you can use the points to designate a student of the week. Here's the thing, incentives and rewards work, so use them. And that's really it. We'll see how things go, and maybe we can revisit this in a few days.
Alta Ipsum has many other features that you can check out, and there are tutorial videos on YouTube which can also be directly accessed in the Alta Ipsum resources section of the website. But for now, just try it out. It's free for 30 days, and you can subscribe for a whole year for just $2 after that. Many students over the years have told me that Alta Ipsum helped them finally stop procrastinating, get their work done, and get better grades, and just feel less stressed and better about themselves. If it can also help families structure their days a little more and be a little less stressed during this crazy time, that'd be great too. Good luck, everyone. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to email me at ben@altaipsum.com. Also, feel free to make a video showing us how you used Alta Ipsum to help you organize and plan during this time. We'll try to make another video in a week or so, and we'd love to include yours.
Bye, everybody.
Good luck.